This is gonna be a good one. Well, I'm biased, it's my video. I'm Caribbean Andy, I'm here to make you a cocktail. Today we are making a cocktail that goes all the way back from before Prohibition. It's called the Clover Club. Clover Club is a bar in New York named after this cocktail. We're doing loosely their recipe. The cocktail itself actually comes from Philadelphia. Like I said, prior to Prohibition, there was a gentleman's club called the Clover Club that met at the Bellevue Stratford Hotel. This is what they drank, but it had raspberry in it, so it was pink. So that was a little too feminine eventually, fell out of fashion. The recipe got lost to time. Some nice people did some work and now we have it again. So today we're going to be using Blue Coat Gin because it's from Philadelphia. Isn't that fun? I just realized that. This is, we also have Dolan dry vermouth. I made a raspberry syrup, which I also did a video on how I made this syrup. You don't have to watch it again. You don't even have to watch it at all, but if you want to, you can. And then we have some egg white that I already separated and lemon. That's it. That's all we need. It is an egg white cocktail. We are going to shake it 2 times. But let's go ahead and start building it. We'll put some ice in our coupe. One more. And then we're just doing a 1/4 ounce of an egg white. So it's just acting as an emulsifier, adding a little bit of frothy head on there, but nothing crazy. This isn't like a whiskey sour. It's not like a lemon meringue pie. Just a little bit of egg white. Oh boy. Okay, a 1/4 ounce and like a little extra. Then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our Blue Coat Gin. A 1/2 ounce of our raspberry syrup. And a 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth. Different people like to shake their egg white cocktails differently. I, for one, like to do a reverse dry shake. Fill your tin with ice. These big square cubes really help with egg white drinks. That's all packed in there. Then we're gonna give it a nice hard shake. Then we'll strain it 1 time into our tin. We can get rid of this ice now. And we'll do a whip shake just to finish it off, froth it up a bit more. It'll melt any of those remaining ice shards. Then we only have to strain it 1 more time to put it right into our little coupe here. And there it is. That's our Clover Club. We can garnish with raspberry if you want. I have a lot of them. Even number garnishes are bad luck, of course, so we'll put 3 on here. That's a little excessive, but hey, why not? And there we go. Clover Club. I mean, it's very pretty. If you're one of those folks who does not enjoy the gin, then I actually suggest that you still try this recipe. Try it with mezcal. Try it with tequila. If you're a boring person who doesn't like to taste stuff, try it with vodka. I like it. Oh, do you know there's no lemon juice in here? I knew something was wrong this whole time and I was just faking it. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. I'm glad I figured that out. Honestly, if this was real, I wouldn't have done that. Oh, this is so much better. It's maybe a little too much lemon. I don't know. It looks nice. It tastes good. I think this was successful.